How about we take this and turn it into this? Fruits are so much fun. I'm gonna give you a few popsicle and ice cream recipes that are easy to make. They are super yummy, healthy, and can be enjoyed by everyone in your family. But before I do that, my name is Sangeeta Narayan. I'm a dietitian and a fitness consultant, and you're on the N Health Lifestyle channel. The first one is watermelon popsicle. Here are a few tips if you're buying watermelons. The watermelon should feel heavy for its size. It should have a hollow sound when you tap onto it. See? And it should have a yellow patch. Now that's a good watermelon. Let's put it into our popsicle along with some sugar, soaked chia or basil seeds. Chia and basil seeds are a good source of protein and fiber, but I'm mainly using them to give a certain texture to the popsicle and to avoid those big ice formations. Let's put the ingredients into the blender. First the watermelon, then a little bit of sugar just to enhance the taste, and if you find it very sweet then you can miss it, but kids prefer this with a little sugar. And now add about 1/3 teaspoon of chia seeds, blend them till they are really smooth, then pour it into the mold. While it sets in the freezer, we'll go to our next recipe, which is the orange popsicle. Orange ice candies give us such lovely memories. Now we used to get it in a thin patla sa tube, and it had everything, orange color, orange flavor, but not the fruit. With these popsicle recipes, you can now enjoy the goodness of fruits at the convenience of your home. We're using chia seeds in place of gelatin or jelly powder, and that eliminates the need for cooking and makes these popsicles so much more hassle-free and convenient to make. Now let's reignite some of the childhood memories with this popsicle. You'll need an orange, and if you can't find one, then tangerine is good too. A little bit of sugar and a little bit of chia seed paste. To make the chia seed paste, soak the chia seeds in water for 30 minutes and then grind it in the dry grinder. And now we'll juice the orange. I'm using my Philips Citrus Press juicer. I've been using this for like years now and I find it really good. But you can juice it in whichever way you want, whether it's manually or cold press. Of course, cold press juicers are better for nutrient retention. Now to this juice, we add some sugar, 1 to 2 drops of lime, and a little bit of chia seed paste for texture. Stir it to blend it evenly and then pour it into the mold and keep it in the freezer. Third one is the lemon popsicle. This is one fun way to get your dose of vitamin C. You will need 1 lemon, sugar, black salt, chia seed paste, and a glass of water. Add some sugar to this, then some salt, squeeze a lime, and add 1/3 teaspoon of chia seed paste. Now stir this till it blends uniformly and then freeze it. The fourth one is mango ice cream. For this we take some mango, kesar. Both these ingredients are great if you want a shining and smooth skin. Then we take 6 tablespoons of milk, pistachios, and sugar. Sugar is completely optional. If you want, add only a little bit to enhance the taste. The scorching sun saps your energy, and that's one reason why summer fruits are so sugary. If you want to restrict your portions or are diabetic, don't go beyond 1 slice. That's about it. Now put the mango in the blender. Add 2 to 3 pistas, 1 strand of kesar per popsicle mold, 6 to 7 tablespoons of milk. We're adding milk so that it's easy to blend the ingredients and make it into a puree. Add some sugar if you want. It's totally optional and it's only to enhance the taste. Blend it into a smooth puree, pour it in the mold and keep it in the freezer for 2 to 4 hours. And now for the 5th popsicle, the banana almond butter popsicle. This one's really creamy. You know, bananas are a good source of potassium. It's a heart-healthy fruit. We'll need 1 banana, few tablespoons of milk, some almond butter. You can even use peanut butter, a few drops of vanilla essence, and some sugar for taste. Let's put the banana into the blender. To this, add half teaspoon of almond butter. This smells so good. Add 1 to 2 drops of vanilla essence, a few tablespoons of milk, just to blend the ingredients into a thick flowing paste. Add some sugar if you want, but only to enhance the taste, and it's totally optional. Blend the ingredients uniformly into a thick flowing paste. Now let's pour this into the mold and then keep it in the freezer for about 2 hours. The best thing about these molds is that the flavors are nicely retained. I got this online and I'll leave the link for you in the description box. So you can get yours too conveniently. And now that we are done with all the popsicles, we're gonna keep them in the freezer and let it set for about 2 to 4 hours depending on your refrigerator. Life is so convenient nowadays. Now everything is so easily available and everything happens so fast. Wow. As kids, when we used to do these experiments, and mostly my brother would do it, I remember we used to pour the juice onto a katori and wait for like hours and hours for it to freeze. और उस समय के रेफ्रिजरेटर्स तो ऐसे कि फ्रीजर को पंखा झलो तो भी वो बर्फ नहीं जमाएगा. गॉड. अब देखिए 2 hours हुए हैं and I think the popsicles are ready. Let's go check them out. Wow! It's beautiful, it's healthy, and it's tasty. These popsicles are low in calories. They'll actually make you lose weight than gain it. They're a great way to enjoy the goodness of fruits and add more of it to your diet. So which color do you want? I'm going with the red one. Now let's see how this comes out. Oh, that's a burst of the fruit. The best thing about this is that it's got the 100% fruit and not its flavor, color, and of course, no preservatives. These popsicles can last you in the refrigerator for almost a month provided you let them. And when you try out our recipes, do let us know in the comment section as to how it came out. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching our video. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Leave your comments, likes, and share the video. Bye-bye.